Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we'll be writing a program to convert vowels of a text file from lowercase to uppercase and vice versa. Here we have our text file that we're going to convert. We have some simple vowels on the first two and some sentences. So what we're going to do is go through all of the characters one by one, and if they're a vowel, we'll switch the cases. First, we'll get the data from our file. So we're going to say file equals open, the name of our file, which is convert.txt. We're going to be opening in read mode first, and we're going to get our data. Since we're going to be reading the whole file, we're going to just say file.read. Now, if we print out data right now, let's see what we get. As you can see, we get all of our all of our characters from our file. That's what this line does. Now we'll remove this and we'll continue. Now, since we have to write to our file, we're going to open it in write mode. File equals open, convert.txt. We're going to be opening it in write mode. Now we have to loop through each character in the file. So we're going to say for I in data. And now since data is a string, we can go through each one of them. If we check here, we'll just comment this out for now. If we print the type of data, we'll say print type data. As you can see, it says it's a string, so we can go through each character one by one, or we can loop through the characters. So we're going to remove these. So for I in data. So now we're first going to check for lowercase vowels. So we're going to say if I in, and a string of lowercase vowels, A, I, O, U. We want to write the uppercase vowels. We want to write it to our file, but then we want to switch the case. So we're going to say file.write. Since we want it uppercase, we're going to say I.upper. Now that we have checked for lowercase, we also want to check for uppercase. So we're going to say if I in capital vowels. We're going to write the lowercase of the characters. We're going to say file.write, I.lower. Now, for the vowels, we only want to check to once. So we're going to say Aleph. So we don't want to check if it if at the first time we do write an uppercase vowel, we don't want to like check it again. So we're going to say else if. And finally, we're going to say else file.write. And then we're going to be writing as it is. If it's neither a lowercase vowel or an uppercase vowel, we want to write the character as it is. Now, we're going to print something when all of this is done. So we're going to say print, program executed. And now, let's clear this. If we run it, it says program executed. And let's see. As you can see, the case has switched. The first line now became capital vowels. Second line became lowercase vowels. And all of the vowels in these two sentences, they got switched. If we run this again, as you can see, it goes back to normal. That's all for the video. Thank you.